Nick, look at this.
What's that? No, don't look at the fruits.
Fruit. Yun ay mga
Here. So this is a room for the night. Awesome. That's 24 and 24.
Kung nag-grab 4 ta, pwede, dilipot.
Hindi.
Para yung may yan.
Yeah, and there's no rain. Good thing. Just gonna set exposure right. There it is. My handsome face and the camera. It's scary when you're out in the woods and you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, we could be lost.
We could be lost, and we could be lost here for 300 years and we'll be remembered as bones. What am I talking about? Look at that. Stay. Wait a while. So, same old road.
Nawala ng voices.
Oh, they've been eaten alive
I
by
think we took
the animals. Huh?
I think we took the wrong.
You can sometimes see snakes, crocodiles, cassowaries, dingoes, and even bisayas. It's so dangerous. Yeah.
She didn't have a sip of whiskey. Just because she had it. What do you do? No, we're going to stop there before we get the
So we just finished. What was that? Swimming. I'll just check them out. Yeah, we just passed by the swimming hole there. They say it's safe, but there's nowhere safe in here. Yeah, crocodiles. What a yeah.
It is safe. It looks safe.
It looks safe, yeah. You can see spiders sometimes and snakes, but it is safe. Yeah. In the summer, there'll be lots of flies and all those animals out because it's hot. They're gonna go to the water, and yeah, the water's gonna be crowded. Good luck on you, mate. Okay. Gili. Pinanggunit mo siya kahoy niya. Iwanan mo ako. Is that one? Are those cassowaries? No, they're not. It's too small. Back to the bigger camera. Riding to the beach. And in the beach, we'll be looking for saltwater crocodiles. No, we hope we can't see one. This is gonna be scary, you know. And Golgi, you can see the yawa. Grabe no, yawa. Gusto mo magkanang kilaw nga rin. Kanang wala mo'y makuhaan nga suka na suka diri tapita. Yes, okay kay mga Pinoy. Magkinilaw ta nga rin kay na suka. So, And you see this? You can get some fish and do a kinilo. Cause there's vinegar. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the beach now. There's the beach. Awesome. Oh. So Cape Tribulation Beach. This is it. Nice place, right? Checking out if there are crocodiles around. Crocodiles, yeah, I'm serious. There are lots of crocodiles here. Somebody was dragged from here and taken there to the crocodile area. I don't know why. To the inlet lakes. No, it's not a lake. So yeah, whenever you are in the Cape Tribulation or anywhere in Queensland, just have a look out for some crocs, because there's a lot of crocs here. I can't see any crocs. No, that's not deep. So yeah, we're checking out if there'll be a croc somewhere around here. He's gonna be running far from the land part. They're fast, but they get tired right away. But still, yeah, we're looking for them. Awesome. It's kind of windy up here at the Cape Tribulation Beach, and yeah, this is where the mountains, the forest meets the ocean. We're at the beach right now, but yeah, that's where the lush rainforest meets the deadly ocean. Yeah, a lot of animals here which are not that friendly. And yes, welcome to the Cape Tribulation Beach. Welcome to the Cape Tribulation Beach. On the left side, that's the ocean, and that's where the Great Barrier Reef is. There's a lot of reefs over there, and it's so nice. On the other side is one of the oldest rainforests. It's around 150 million years, and yeah, this is where the two great things in the world meet. The ocean meets the forest. So if you ever come by at Cairns or Northern Daintree, come by here and just check it out. But just be careful of the crocs or the cassowaries. Yeah, because they're not friendly. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the beach now. I'll see you later. Mapakan. Hindi mo na mapakan.
Hindi na mapakan.
Pako ba ka ng wings? Mapakan. Ano mga kuha ng pakan, mga taong pakan. Kung saan pakan na pako na ito day.
Really? Hindi na paako.
Pakan.
Pakan ka na.
Di pakan. So good to see ya. I want to fly my drone here, but I don't know if it's allowed because this is a national park. It says online that it's okay as long as you don't disturb the people, and also you don't disturb the wildlife. But I think a drone would be disturbing, but we'll see. Look at those. They're cool. Many things look like art. Look at those. There's some more here. Check those out. So I'm here right now at the Bakawan. Yes, this is what we call the Bakawan. You know what the Bakawan is? Mangroves. But sakto baka ko, pero mo matingay na. Yeah, this is one of the mangrove forest here, and there are crocodile sightings, so must be careful. And did you know that saltwater crocodiles are more So yeah, I'm here at the Bakawan. You know what the Bakawan is? Well, Bakawan is a mangrove farm or mangrove forest. Yeah, this is where. So cool. You can see it behind me. Thing is, there are saltwater crocodiles around here, and they're sighted all over the place. Thing is, they're aggressive. You have to be careful. Like, there was a time somebody was dragged to the water out there and killed. But yeah, mangrove. They look cool, but yeah, that's just it. Yeah, I'll take a photo. Food tasting, and it was 2 o'clock when we came back. It's done already. It's okay, doesn't matter. Off to the next destination. Hunt for food again. We're at Wets, looking for food, and there are lights already now. It's getting dark, maybe. Oh, nice rainforest feel. Yeah, like under the trees. It's awesome. And there's the bar and bistro. Yeah. Let's see what's in there. We're off to another swimming hole here. Surprisingly, we're hunting for swimming holes, and I don't know how to swim. It's embarrassing. Anyway, but
Privately owned. Basta ibili kang bisaya.
uh-huh. It's a big swimming hole. Nearly.
You wanna swim?
I don't know. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy to swim. Okay, just came back from Mason's swimming hole, and it looked just like in the Philippines, you know, when you go to the rivers and everything else. Yes, it looked like that. So yeah, it's normal. Unlike the other one, which was way better. Okay, where are we heading next? I'm gonna go for an ice cream. Get an ice cream. Yeah, that's it.
Kung dito ma-happy sa food dito sa Makal.
Hmm.
Diba?
Fruit smoothies. Roast nuts. Hammy burgers. Durian.
No. Ang burger, may durian sauce. At burgers.
In the swimming hole, they're in our burgers. Whoa.
I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about.